All right, so in this next section, we are going to look at um, tips and tricks for dispensing applications. Some will be specific to dispensing, but some can be still general to any toolpath project. And so we're going to break down the problem into sort of two sections. So we're going to look at the structure of an NC file and how understanding that structure will allow you to maybe do something like create an overlap in your path, how to turn on IO or set variables. And then we're going to look at something that I think is very practical, which is to convert that NC file into a series of MOVPs, and that can be imported as a script file. And once you have that, now you have the whole power of the script language to insert at any point in your toolpath. And so we're going to show how you can convert that with LabVIEW. You can also do that with RoboDK if you have the RoboDK license. And then we're going to get into the specifics of dispensing, and we're really going to study the dispensing dynamics for your material, and really how to systematically go about solving the two typical problems that you have in a dispensing application, which is how to prevent drip and how to deal with this turn off and turn off delay that you have of the material. So you turn on the dispenser and the material doesn't come out right away. And so how to study that and systematically find those parameters. You can change, speed, the approach, how much you push. So we're going to look at all those details and see if we can systematically come up with a way to define those parameters.